Dilip is going to be teaching us how to beatbox. We're going to start with something simple. It's going to be the kick drum. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, my name is Vineeth Vincent. That is Dilip. Dilip, wave and say hello to the people back home.
Hi.
So Dilip, just introduce yourself, talk to us about you. Tell us who you are.
My name is Dilip.
Wow.
I'm from Beats Club.
Wow.
And I like to put on my shades when I beatbox.
Yeah, he actually wears his shades all the time when he beatboxes. When he doesn't beatbox, his shades are off. So I thought I'll compete with you. I have a few shades here myself.
Oh wow.
So yeah, I'm going to wear this while
Nice.
I beatbox with you. But the thing is, I got a few more, so I thought I'd wear a few more just to compete with you.
Okay.
So I'm making up for the lack of talent. So yeah, I have two more, just two more, I promise. One goes up there, and one goes here. Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to be teaching us how to do the kick.
Yeah.
Can you teach us what the kick sounds?
So the kick drum sounds like.
Okay.
You have to say the letter B.
The letter B.
The letter B.
Okay, B.
So you say B and you stress on the B sound. So
B.
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 Yes. And you
So
remove the E.
you forget the voice basically,
Yeah.
and you just go P.
Yeah. Don't use
P.
your voice and
P.
yeah. P.
P.
So you're stressing on it. And don't
Okay.
say just. Yes, that's the kick drum.
So you cut off the E, you cut off the you just
Yeah.
go.
Yeah, just.
So it's a slight build-up of air in your mouth, a very small build-up.
Yes.
And you push your lips together,
Yeah.
and then you open up your lips very quickly.
Yeah.
And it goes.
So you just add a little pressure and. Yes.
Okay, try that at home. Lesson 1.